friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. Welcome to the Clown Shit Show. I swear a little bit every now and again, just an FYI. Today I played with the Nomad Okavango Safari Palette. It looks like this. P.S. Sorry for the background. In the middle of packing and moving. It is what it is. But I created this look using this palette. So if you would like to join my clown parade, I'd love for you to subscribe. Or if you would just like to sit and watch this video, you could, like and comment. But without further ado, let's get into it. It's been a long day, okay? It's been a long day. Also, background is boring. Sorry, not sorry. In the middle of packing stuff. It is what it is. But I got my Nomad order. I got the new Okavango Safari, and I got the Hudson Valley, which is one that I've wanted for so long. But I think I'm gonna play with the Okavango Safari one first. This, oh my goodness. This gloriousness. Test it out, give you my thoughts, all that good stuff. So usually before I use a palette, I've swatched it and done all the swatching content, but I haven't done that yet, so I'm going into this pretty blind. I might dig my hands into a couple of them, see what they look like, get the feel for them. I'm so out of it right now. I'm not feeling the greatest. I think it's like really hot and humid, and I don't think I drank enough water, so I might go grab my water, drink some, come up with the plan, that type of stuff. Okay, to start off with, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Crash of Rhinos, and I'm gonna be putting that into the outer edge and then in like the crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Honking Hippos. I had to make sure that I was saying it right. I'm putting that in the same places that I did there, but closer. My brain is not working. I'm sorry if my words are just, if I'm not making sense. But just blending those two together. So from what I've seen from other people's palettes, this is more of like a bluish than it is a black, but I'm still going to go in with that and darken up this. And I think to kind of like put a little more color here, I'm going to go in with Towering Giraffes and maybe a little bit of Elusive Leopards, but just a little bit of those, so then I can just have some color up here, warm it up a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Warmy Game Reserve right here, this like puke arm, like green, I don't know, and put that right here just to blend this out. And then I think I'm gonna go in with, I don't really know yet, I'm kind of just winging it all, to be quite perfectly honest with you. So I think I'm gonna go in either with Leaping Luches, I don't know, and Roaring Lions, maybe a little bit of both. We'll start with Roaring Lions. I know that this one was hard pressed for a lot of people, so I guess we'll see for me. But I'm gonna start by putting that shade out here over that Game Reserve shade. And then going in with that lighter Leaping Luches, that shade, in the more inner part of the eye. Going with whatever it gives me. And I want more of this shade, so I'm just going to keep lapping that on. And I think I'll go in with a little bit more of that Honking Hippos, that dark brown shade, and just sort of smoke this out a little. So how have y'all been? I've been okay. Well, like work-wise, I've been okay. I got whacked in the face the other day. Yesterday. I don't know if you can still see it anymore. Yeah, it's not there. I got whacked in the face with a fire truck, so that was cool. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this Mighty Buffalo's like brownish shimmer here and plop that out on the outer edge. Again, give it some dimension, some depth, some smokiness, all that good stuff. And I think I'll go in with that black, blue, whatever shade right here, the Rumbling Elephant, on a small, almost linerish brush, and just give a small little wing. So I'm absolutely roasting right now, but that's on me for wearing sweatpants in my hot room during the summer. But I'm gonna go do the other eye, get all this done, and then I'll come back. I'll tell you about some things going on in my life. And my thoughts on the palette. Okay, so my lighting is going because I use natural lighting and it's cloudy. So that's a bowl. But I'm using the Melt Lynx Cream Blush Light like I do every single time. Because yeah. Okay, so the things I wanted to tell you, or to the people that have been around for a little bit, I'm going on a date this weekend, like a whole weekend date. I'm so excited. Yeah, he told me, like I've talked off and on with him for about like 3-ish years. We'd kind of got into it because we were both like immature little dicks. Like we'd get into it a lot. It is what it is. But he told me last night when we were on FaceTime, he was like, yeah, I just kind of scoured the internet for you, like to find you again, to talk to you and blah blah blah, all this stuff. So he's the sweetest and I adore him and I'm so excited. We're gonna do so many things. It's literally going to be a weekend getaway. So I'm so excited. And I also don't know what to bring, like makeup wise, so I'm kind of losing it. I think I'm gonna go with the ColourPop Citrus Frizz. I'm gonna use this shade like I always do for highlight. It's literally everywhere. But yeah, I don't know. I'm so excited though. Like I haven't been this excited to be around a man in like so long. And he's sweet and cute, like really cute. I might freak the F out. And as always, I want to be seen from a space. I'm thinking something like this as a look for this weekend. You know, I think this is good. I'm going to find a brush. I can find one that's sort of clean. And take a little bit of that and put that in the brow area. But yeah, I'm so excited. My birthday date did not go well. I don't know if I ever said that. Yeah, men. For lip, I'm thinking this Unearthly Cosmetics in Delight. It's a darker shade. It's from their Valentine's Day collection. It's darker, I thought. I don't know. It's a dark eye. Why not match the vibes? So for under eye, I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Crush of Rhinos shade. This is not the right brush for this, but I can't find a good one. And I'm going to put that down here. And I think, where's a good brush? We'll go with this one. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Nile Crocodile shade right here and put that on the inner corner. Okay, so this is the final completed look. I absolutely love it. I adore it. And this palette, so far I'm really liking it. Again, this is like my only first use. I haven't swatched, I haven't done anything with it, so this is just, you know, like a first impressions of it. But I do really like this. I think this is gonna be like a good neutralish palette. I didn't play with this, that, so I might have to go and dig in with those ones for another video at some point soon. But like I said, my weekend's gonna be filled up, and then I start summer camp, so maybe in the afternoon, somewhere around there, I can start getting around to doing a couple more things with this and the Hudson Valley one, so keep your eyes peeled for that. But I do really like the shimmers in this so far. Like, yeah, they're really nice, they're pretty. For me, these have worked. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm so happy that I got this. Shout out to Shani. I used your code. I already told you that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave her code down below so you can use it. Yeah, I love that it's like, Nomad always just kicks it out of the park with their palettes. But just a reminder to not be racist, not be transphobic, not be homophobic. It is so much easier to be nicer and kinder than it is to use all that energy to be a dick. Put that energy into being a good person, into doing the things that you like, doing the things that you love, rather than being a hateful dick. And a reminder that anybody in the LGBTQ plus community and like drag queens, all this pride stuff, it is not grooming shit. So pull your head out of your ass and be a good person. And to my little clowns, remember to be safe, be kind, and be good.